Yo, you already know curly wavy hair, it's in style. The biggest problem is that if you got curly and wavy hair, how do you manage it? See, our hair type is very hard to manage and maintain throughout the day. So today, I'm gonna show you not only how to achieve the curly hairstyle, but how to make it look good all day. Let's hop in. Number one, and probably the most important thing, is that you have to use the right shampoo and the right conditioner. When it comes to curly hair, dryness is your number one enemy. See, when curly hair gets dry, it just becomes frizzy and uncontrollable, mainly because your cuticles open up looking for moisture from the environment. This is why you want to make a switch over to hydrating shampoos and conditioners that don't overly strip your hair from the essential oils that it needs, so your hair stays hydrated even after a wash. Which takes us on to rule number two. I want you to shampoo every other 3 days and condition every single day. See, now that you've found the right shampoo and conditioner, you need to apply it properly. And the biggest mistake that most guys make is that they'll shampoo their hair or wash their hair every day, and now you're overly drying your hair and your curls are frizzing up, and now it's uncontrollable. This is why I shampoo my hair every 3 days, but I condition my hair every single day. What this does is that you can put in 2 to 3 solid washes a week, and then those days in between, you're conditioning your hair, which does a soft wash. It removes the sweat and the daily dirt without removing those oils and rehydrating the curls. Now your curls look thicker and shinier all day. If you guys watched our last video, you know we're dropping our new premium line for Heat Grooming. This is our premium line of shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. You can buy them as a set to save money, but the cool thing with their shampoo and conditioner is that they're infused with tea tree oil to pack back that hydration to your hair. So when you shampoo and condition, you're not overly drying it, but instead you're overly hydrating it. It's also infused with biotin to help promote your body's natural hair growth process, so your hair comes out thicker and stronger. Which takes us on to number 3, use a curling cream. If your hair type is wavy or curly, I don't want you to use wax, I don't want you to use pomades or any sort of clays or anything that's too pasty, tacky, or will give you that matte look. This looks great on straight hair if that's the style you're going for, but if you want curls, you want to get rid of those products and instead use a curling cream. A curling cream is soft. It won't make your hair hard, but it'll do the main job, which is what you want. It'll keep your curls hydrated. Boys, we're dropping a curling cream with Heat Grooming, body wash, shampoo and conditioner, which is our premium. We're still keeping our own body wash, but this is our premium stuff. We're dropping a new curling cream. Look, I was looking in the market. Nobody's making this stuff for us dudes. For us dudes that have curly or wavy hair, nobody is making a good curling cream. So we decided to drop our own with Heat Grooming because that's what we do best. And Heat Grooming is dropping this Saturday, January 15th at 10 a.m. Eastern. Been done right? We're gonna do it right, because I'm looking out for you boys. If you got curly or wavy hair, this is the curling cream you're gonna want. We have it packed with oils. We also have it packed with controlling creams. That way, when you use the product, it keeps your curls in place. I've been using this for over 3 months, testing it day in, day out to make sure that your hair doesn't get frizzy, to make sure your curls stay hydrated and shiny all day. The best part is, boys, it's dropping this Saturday. If you don't have a good curling cream, this is what you want. This will give your hair that natural movement and make your hair look good with minimal effort. If you boys want to check it out, put a reminder on your phone. And Heat Grooming is dropping this Saturday, January 15th at 10 a.m. Eastern. You're not going to want to miss this. Which takes us on to rule number 4. Never style your hair when it's dry. The biggest mistake guys will make is that they'll wait too long to start styling their hair. If you have the curly or wavy hair type, you don't want to be brushing your hair when it's dry. It's going to create too much frizz and too much volume. It then becomes uncontrollable, and no matter how much or how good the product is, you're not going to tame that. Your goal is, as soon as you step out the shower, this is when you start styling your hair. This is when you apply your curling cream, because this is when your hair is full of moisture that you're going to want to lock in. Which takes us on to number 5. Use the scrunch technique. You just stepped out the shower, you've towel dried your hair so it's a little bit damp, you've untangled it with the brush. This is when you come in with that curling cream. You apply about a dime to quarter size amount depending on how much hair you have, and then you apply from the roots all the way to the top, and then you start doing the scrunch technique. This is when you start scrunching your hair to really get in those curls and waves that you're looking for, and the beauty of this technique is that it is different. It's gonna be different for you as it's different for me, and our hairstyles are so unique. That's really where the attractiveness comes. You're not gonna look like every other dude, which ultimately takes us to number 6, and it's to not use heat. Look, I don't like using heat on my curls because, again, I feel like it over dries them. Instead, I like my hair for it to naturally air dry. So after I'm done putting my curling cream, it acts as a leave-in conditioner where it conditions your hair all day. I'll just let my hair take its natural course. My hair looks more healthy, it looks thicker, it looks softer, it has that bounce all day, and it naturally dries. It also saves you time in the morning to not have to be blow drying your hair, and it avoids you overly damaging your hair with heat. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 6 simple rules you want to follow to make sure you're controlling your curls. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our curling cream and our new body wash, shampoo, and conditioner dropping this Saturday for heat grooming. That's it for me today.